A little more to the left, keep coming back. All right, hold it right there. We are good to go.
Flow rate is stable at 15 milliliters per pomegranate.
Confirmed. Documentation updated.
Airflow readings on Unit 3 are stable.
Good, we are maintaining optimal moisture removal.
Here at the final holding line, the approved pomegranates are precisely spaced by the synchronized conveyors before moving on to the cutting phase.
The calibration is perfect. We are maintaining optimal alignment.
Excellent. The flow rate is steady.
The buffer temperature is holding steady at 3.5. Good, let's maintain the flow rate.
Here in the extraction hall, our cold press machines slowly squeeze the arils, ensuring the juice retains its vibrant color and nutrients.
Consistency looks good on this batch.
Yeah, the moisture content is right where we want it. Let's increase the speed slightly on Unit 3.
Looks good. The flow is much cleaner now.
The pH is stable at 3.52 and clarity is holding steady at 99.8.
Noted. We are ready for the transfer. The target temperature is stable at 12.5 degrees.
Good. The automated controls are holding steady.
The heat exchange is complete. We're showing a consistent drop to 3 degrees Celsius.
All parameters are stable, ready for the next phase.
Welcome to Scene 36, where our sterile transfer piping network ensures the juice travels safely from thermal processing to filling preparation.
keep an eye on the spacing near the chute.
It's flowing smoothly now. The air naves are perfectly aligned.
The sensor array verifies the torque on every cap. If the seal tightness isn't perfect, like this one, it's immediately diverted from the line.
Sensor reading looks stable at -20.
Confirmed. Vents are clear.
Dock 7 is clear. Bring the next one in.
Watch your spacing, lift coming through.
There you go, approved. Would you like a paper receipt?
No, the email is fine. Thank you.
All right, bring the next one down. Copy that. Watching my clearance.
I'm clear on the left.
Okay, I'm taking the conveyor.
That looks much better.
All right, let's move down to the next bay.
Just making sure these juices are perfectly aligned.
Yeah.
Looks good, nice and cold. We are all set here.
Let's place these two simultaneously. Ready?
Yes. And angle the bottles towards the LED light. Certainly, the limited edition set is right here, and we do offer complimentary gift wrapping at the counter.
This section is showing a discrepancy of 12 units. Got it. I'll rescan the row and update the manifest. This amber reserve looks quite exquisite.
It's one of our finest seasonal selections, sir.
All set here, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You too.
Okay, this one goes to the front staging area.
Got it. Need a hand with the next one?
Yes, please grab the cranberry stack. Okay, this pallet is complete. All barcodes match the manifest.
Confirmed. Inventory updated in real time.
I think this vintage should fit right in the center.
It does. I'll update the inventory right now.
There you go. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.